I'm back out with another Onnais product. We have their wall mount gun lock model TES2. I have all of my handguns out. We're gonna be testing the compatibility of whether or not these fit in this gun lock, and then naturally once we do that, we're gonna go and fire them. Up first, we have this 1851 Navy by Pietta. This is the Sherriff model. Let's see if this fits. Gun is held in place. Let's remove it. Let's fire it. Our second 1851 Pietta, this one's the 7.5 inch long barrel. Gun's held in place. Unlocked. We have the AGT Diablo 12. This is loaded with number 4 buckshot. Locked in place. Let's put some primers in this and fire it at that paper target down there. We are 5 yards away. High standard 22 cal model R101. Locked in place. Ruger single 10, 22 caliber. Secured in place. Tokarev M57 7.62 by 25. In place. One hit. Walther P38 9mm. Locked in place. All right, the sights are really low on this thing. I had to aim about a foot high. Smith & Wesson 357 Magnum. I'm not even sure what model this is. We're using 38 special today. Locked in place. Ruger LCR 22 Magnum. Secured in place. Smith & Wesson Airweight 38 special. Held in place. Now, if I can hit anything with this, it'll be a freaking miracle. Smith & Wesson Governator 45 ACP. Locked in place. We have the Ruger Mark II 22 caliber. This actually will not fit in that gun lock because these grips are a little bit too wide. So with different grips it would work, but unfortunately not this time. Let's take out that Texas Star. Ruger Mark IV 22 cal. Locked in place. Glock 17 Gen 2 9mm. Locked in place. This rail attachment looks kind of ghetto, but it actually works pretty decent. Glock 19 9mm. Locked in place. Beretta 92 FS 9mm. Locked in place. The grips on this are insanely hot right now. Being in this direct sunlight, this thing's gotta be like 120 degrees. The Tec-9 Clone, the EP9 9mm. Now this probably will not work with a magazine in it. Actually, it's not going to work at all because it doesn't fit, but let's fire this thing. We got a Texas Star down there. Not too shabby. Sig Rose 365 XL Comp 9mm. Held in place. I'm dreading this one. Smith & Wesson MP9 9mm. Held in place. I have to admit, I'm terrible with this pistol. Sig Sauer P226 Legion, single action only, 9mm. This is probably my favorite pistol. Held in place. It'd be my favorite pistol if the grip wasn't like 200 degrees right now. The big boy's up. Desert Eagle 44 Magnum. Alright, well, this held in place, but... wow, that was weird. It was like stuck in there. I'm not too sure if I would trust the Desert Eagle being placed in there You can get it in there and lock it, but getting it out is a little bit of a struggle. I think it might be a little bit too wide for that thing. Man, does it send that gong flying around. I was packing up and I completely forgot to take this out of the bag. Smith & Wesson 1911 E-Series 45 ACP. Held in place. And this also makes that gong dance. Okay, so you made it this far into the video. My conclusion is that you're either interested in seeing all these guns get fired, or there's a possibility that you might be interested in this Onnais wall mount gun lock. I'm pretty sure I have a discount code for this. I can't remember it off the top of my head. I'll have that in the pinned comment if you're actually interested in purchasing one of these. Overall, I'd have to say that the Onnais wall mounted gun lock worked pretty well. Almost all of my pistols fit and locked in place. There were a few compatibility issues. The Ruger Mark II, the grips on it were a little bit too wide. The grips on that thing are really fat, so my Tec-9 Clone, the AP9, just the design of that, it's not like a standard handgun, so the shape was a little bit different. Couldn't really lock into the trigger guard. The Desert Eagle did fit, but removing it was a little bit of a struggle, so I probably would not recommend putting one of those in there. Now, I'm no lock-picking lawyer, so I couldn't tell you how secure the locking mechanism actually is on this. But one thing to note, I don't think you can actually lock the lock portion of this in place, so you can technically just remove this, and if you're in someone's home trying to steal something, you would have their locked gun accessible to you to remove pretty easily. Now, I don't know how easy it would be to actually remove the gun from this lock, but I just figured I'd throw that out there. Let's go over the basics, how to set up a code, and we'll wrap things up. The default code for this is 12341. In order to lock this in place, you just slide this piece down, and these little metal arms will grab the trigger guard. If we enter the code, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, they reset. Alright, we have two buttons in the front, add and res. In order to change the numerical code, we'll have to enter in the default code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now we're going to hit add, and we can enter in a new code. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And we hit res, and then we do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 again. Hit res again. Now to enter our code, it should be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Let's try it out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Alright, we have a new code entered. Now you also have a fingerprint scanner on here, so you can enter those in. Let's do that right now. So in order to enter in a fingerprint, we got to do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 to unlock. Then we're going to hit add, and now that bar is blinking. Let's add our thumbprint to it. Got to do this 4 times. Alright, and now our thumbprint should unlock this. Let's see if it does. And just like that, now we have our fingerprint scanned on there. I'd like to give a big thank you to Onnais for sending out this wall-mounted gun lock, and I wanted to commend them for last time letting me shoot their safe, so they've been pretty good sports, so just want to give them a big thank you, and that should wrap up this video. Alright, see ya.